Yes, students. So today we'll see how to run the programs using Python. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install Python from python.org, install it on your system and then open the IDLE. Actually, IDLE is Integrated Development Environment. It is a very simple form of Python where you can do the programs. In IDLE menu, open new file and we have to write our program there only. So just explore all the menu items here like options, edit, file, run, how to do it. You can install any version. I have installed 3.7 because right now we are doing the basic programming of Python. It is very simple and you can take directly it from the python.org. Now I'm just enlarging the font so that it will be visible for you. So writing the first program for you people to calculate the area of a rectangle. So L equal to int input, enter the length. You can see here the color theme of the IDLE. Green for the string it is coming, and the pink color it is coming for the keywords, and the variables are coming in the normal black color. Yes, so enter length and enter breadth. We are using here two variables, and then next variable I am using here area to calculate the area. Now we have to print the value of area. So I am writing a message like area of a rectangle equal to the message area of rectangle. I am writing in double quotes, then comma area. Area is a variable and I want to print the value of this variable. Okay, run. Now you have to save it. You can give any name but with the extension .py. Py is required because it is showing that it is a Python file. Now I am running it. Enter the length, enter the data for length, enter the data for breadth, and the area is coming here. Okay. Similarly, we can do next program like I am doing it here. Let us suppose two variables are there, a and b. A comma b equal to b comma a. So we are just exchanging the value of the variables a and b. Now I am printing the value of a and b. We'll print the values before exchanging and after exchanging also. So b equal to a and b equal to b. Again see the indentation also, that I am writing all the items, all the statements in a single line, or you can say I am starting from a same column. Okay, it is very important because indentation is really an important part in Python. When we do the loops and other things, now that will be at that point we'll get it how to do it. Now see here, before exchanging and after exchanging, what will be the value? Now we'll run the program and we'll check. Now see here /n here I am using to change the line. We'll see in the output. Now I'm running it. Just see here, before swapping and new line, a equal to 10 and b equal to 78. So the values are coming like this. Now we'll do some changes here and then again we'll check like I'm doing here. A equal to a comma b is equal to b comma a plus 1. Now again run it and then change. Yes, we'll see the changes now. Yes. So you can perform different changes, different values here, and then it's fine. Yes, students. So today we'll see how to run the programs using Python. So first of all,